Hello friend, today I have another question and the difficulty level of that question is medium level, and this question is asked in many companies like you can check like Flipkart, Ecolite, Amazon, Microsoft, Morgan Stanley, Samsung, DSOC, and it is very interesting question also. The question says that level order traversal means you have given a binary tree and you have to traverse in a level order. Okay, now question says that given the root of a binary tree, means you have given a root of a binary tree, your task is to return its level order traversal. Means our task is to return a level order traversal. Note, a level order traversal is a breadth first search, means BFS of the tree. Means we have to traverse in a BFS, breadth first search. It visits nodes level by level. Means the BFS says that visit a node at level wise. Okay, starting from the root and processes all nodes from left to right within each level before moving to the next level. Means first they will traverse the zeroth level, then first level, then second level in this manner. So now I am going to dry run the code first, then I will write the code. Okay, dry run is always important. Suppose you have to you are given one binary tree and you have the root of that binary tree. Okay, so what you will do, let me suppose here level order means this one. First you have to print this one, then left to right this one, then this one. Just consider level 0, level 1 and level 2. So output of this program 10, then 20, 30, 40 and 50. The output, or you can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, then it is also called as breadth first search. Means in graph you will there are two type of traversal. One is DFS and BFS. So it is also called as BFS, breadth first search. So what you will do? Suppose you have given one root. Okay, you have given the root node. So if means if you will take as a queue and that queue will contain the reference of the root, then it will check if the root has left and right, then it will store the left node and right node. And in the same way, once the queue is not empty, so you have to you have to traverse the binary tree. Okay, just like suppose you have a queue, this one, and you will contain the address first root one, then you will and take array list as answer, and then here root dot data. Okay, then root will contain left, yes, suppose here 10, so here answer will contain 10. Then 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 you can say pop from the queue. First one is pop and add in the answer and check if root dot left not equal to null, then add it 20. Then root dot right not equal to null, then add it. Okay, then pop from the queue 20, then add in the answer 20 and check if root dot left equal to null, yes, don't add it. If root dot right equal to null, don't add it. Okay, then poll poll 30, 30 will poll out, then check, then add it to the answer, then mm, then add uh, then root dot left equal to null, yeah, not equal to null, no, then add in the queue 40. Root dot right not equal to null, then add in the queue, and then after that then fall from the queue, add in the answer 40. Then 40 root dot left equal to null, yes, don't add it. Root dot right equal to null, don't add it. Then fall 50, then add into the answer 50, and then root dot right not equal to null, Yes, it's in null. Don't add it. Root dot left equals to null. Y- Yes, don't add it. That's it, and you will get the answer. So now I will write the code here. Suppose you will make one queue of type node q1 equal to new linked list. Then q1 dot add root. I will add root, and one is array list of integer answer equal to new equal to new array list. Then while q1 dot is empty, q1 dot is empty false. Okay, then I will make as front node, node front front equal to q1 dot false, and answer dot add front dot data. If front dot left not equal to null, then then q1 dot add front dot left, front dot left. If front dot right means it has some data, front dot right not equal to null, then q1 dot add front dot right. Okay. Hmm. Once the q1 is empty, then return. We have to return answer. Hmm. Yes. So that what is the time complexity? Big O of n, because we are visiting each node only one time. That's why the time complexity is big O of n, and a space complexity. Uh, we are not storing a space complexity is constant. Okay. Mm. Now I am going to write the code in the compiler, and check all the test cases also. I think it is clear. Okay. First, I have to add the root here, and then check here. Then check it front equal to q1 dot poll. I will poll from the queue, and add into the answer. If front dot left not equal to null, then I will add in the queue. If front dot right not equal to null, then I will add into the front dot right, and in this way I will check, and it will traverse the level order. Okay. Hmm. Suppose here. Hmm. Here I will make one queue of type node q1 equal to new nked link list. Hmm. Then I will make one answer array list of integer answer equal to new array list of integer answer. Then I will add the root into the queue. q1 dot add root. Okay, and I will try to iterate the queue. If queue has some data, then q1 dot is empty. Right? Means it will say queue has some data. So I will pull from the queue first, then node front equal to q1 dot false, and I will add into the answer dot add front dot data. And if I will check if front front dot left not equal to null, means the front dot left, suppose this one left has some data, then I will add into the queue, then q1 dot add front dot left, then I will check it if front dot right right front dot right not equal to null, then I will add q1 dot add front dot right. Hmm. And once the queue is empty, then I will return the answer. Return answer. This is a level order traversal of a binary tree. Hmm. I will check here. Yes, all the test case means this test case is passed. Now I am going to submit the code. Hmm. Yes, all the test case is passed. This is a way to learn the DSA, and if you will practice for 2 to 3 months, you will easily solve the easy and medium level of question. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.